दोस्तों, आज का दिन न केवल क्रेडाई बल्कि हाउसिंग इंडस्ट्री के लिए इतिहास में सुवर्ण अक्षर से लिखा जाएगा।
The biggest credit goes to the members of CREDAI who actually participated so aggressively, the youth and even the regular members who participated so aggressively that the space was actually short for so many people, and we had seating for about 3,000 people, but we had more than 3,000 guests, and that was the first in CREDAI.
These kind of technological innovations, these kind of growth has never happened in India before. These kind of structural reforms have also not been happened before. It's important to think just beyond your business and look at the larger perspective of India and become a partner in this whole growth and development process of India.
Why are you roaming around the world? Commit your hard work in this country, on this soil and this place. This is the truest golden chariot of the world on which it is waiting for you to be ridden. क्या सोच रखा है? What else you wanted in your lifetime when you had your prime and energy in your hand, my friend? इससे बढ़िया और कोई जगह नहीं है. अगर स्वर्ग कहीं है तो हम ही हस्तो, हम ही हस्तो, हम ही हस्तो. Thank you.
साथियों, क्रेडाई बीते 2 दशकों से हर देशवासी के अपने घर के जो सपने हैं उसको पूरा करने में जुटा है। और आप युवा जन हैं, चीज़ों को रिसीव करने की आपकी ताकत ज़्यादा होती है और मेरा दिमाग बड़ा युवा है। मैं बहुत तेज़ी से दौड़ने वाला, करने वाला इंसान, और इसलिए मेरा आपका मैचिंग बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है। मुझे कोई दूरी महसूस नहीं होती, न मुझे पद की दूरी होती है, न उम्र की दूरी होती है, न मेरे बैकग्राउंड की दूरी होती है, दिल में एक ही आग होती है, आपसे मिलूं, आपसे बात करूं, आपके लिए सोचूं, आपके साथ काम करूं, मिलकर के देश के लिए काम करूं। इसी एक भावना के साथ मैं फिर एक बार आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं।
I compliment all of you, each and every one of you, and those who are not present here today also, for your participation in this effort, for your active involvement, for your blessings to us to make this happen.
The young leaders like you must lead their respective sectors to this dream. It is the duty cast upon you. You are the future of the country. So we should see to it the younger generation must understand we are living in an aspirational India.
Just organized the largest ever conference of real estate developers in history of India. It was an awesome moment, and this has just raised the bar for CREDAI for times to come.
इतना एसोसिएशन क्लोज हुआ सब सीनियर से और मेरे फेलो CYW मेंबर से कि ये जो अब इसमें जो ये एक रिलेशनशिप बन गई और ये जो हमने शेयर किया इन दिस लास्ट 40 डेज, हम लोग जब ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर लेते हैं ना, उसके बाद देयर इज नो स्कोप दैट यू मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स. Then the new friends are made only on trade organizations, and so everybody should be a part of CREDAI.
मुझे बताते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमने सक्सेसफुली CREDAI की हिस्ट्री में सबसे बड़ा इवेंट कंक्लूड किया है आज. करीबन 2700 डेलीगेट्स के साथ पूरा तालकटोरा स्टेडियम हमने भर के विद ऑलमोस्ट 2500 डेवलपर्स आउट ऑफ देम हमने इवेंट कंक्लूड किया है और सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट किया है.
This event, I think, has been one of the largest, the biggest, and the most learning experience that the youth wing has got of CREDAI.
गौरव, विनीता, रोहित और सारी यूथकॉन, निमिश, आशीष, नीलय, असलम, सब लोगों को, all team members को I congratulate to putting up a fantastic show.
It's a coincidence I'm with the entire CREDAI team who has given me this opportunity and chance to team Rashi Entertainment to implement this mammoth project. Your experience on working with us, sir.
स्वीट खा खा के जो हालत हो जाती है ना, वो हालत होगी हमारी आपके साथ काम करके. मेन है बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस और आपके पूरे टीम की मेहनत कि एवरीथिंग वाज इम्प्लीमेंट वेल इन टाइम, सब हो गया. वंडरफुल.
ओवरऑल ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एंड हमने भी बहुत सीखा, इनको भी बहुत सिखाया और आई थिंक इट वाज एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस.
Good event. It was a very good learning experience for us, and working with the team and like whole teamwork, it was like a whole lot of difference. Like what I have learned here, I have learned nowhere else in my life. And a very big thank you to Gaurav and Nimish for that also, and a very big thank you to Rajiv. Thank you.
I have done events earlier, but this has been one of the biggest events I have done so far. And as Nimish ji mentioned, the biggest part was handling the SPG protocol. So we hopefully managed it successfully, and overall the experience was fun, and it was also a great learning experience for us. Thank you.
The best thing was the showers on 14th morning where the entire venue had to be done up in 2 hours time. But yes, we have been able to do it. And thank you very much to Go Bananas also for designing this particular event. God bless. Thank you, Geetika. As such, you rock.
What a great conference this has really been for CREDAI. Looking forward to the next one. All the best to the Indian real estate industry for a rocking year ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Geetika Kanjudhar saying goodbye for now. We'll see you again.